So you're in the market for a used lathe. How about buying one from Hurco, from their headquarters here in High Wycombe? This model, TM6, is actually available for sale. This is a 2-axis lathe. It's a 2011 machine. It is very, very clean, as you'll see. The machine hours are 2,280, spindle hours 578. It's got everything you'd expect: a tailstock, a 6-inch chuck. It comes with collets. It is fully checked and ready to go, and has the WinMax 4 control on this machine. This can be delivered and installed at your workshop for £26,950. See more detail on Hurco's website, hurco.co.uk.